Localio review. Hey guys, this is Shan from IncareAcademy.com and you are watching my Localio AI review. Now, Localio, which is also called the Localio AI, is a smart AI-based content writer. It actually uses the groundbreaking OpenAI GPT-3 technology to produce 100% plagiarism-free contents for your blogs, for your Google Ads, for your YouTube description, for your call to actions, for your sales copies, in whatever ways you want to, because there are more than 50 templates which are covered in right up in the front end, and it covers across 120 plus languages. That means you can write your copies in any native language that you wish to. The best part, it also gives you a choice of over 20 different voice so that you can sound your copy to be authoritative, you can sound it to be enthusiastic, you can sound it the way you want to. Now, if all that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Localio review, because during this Localio AI review, I will show you how to work with Localio AI because I have got access to this amazing tool, as you can see over here. Also, I will discuss the pricing that it has. And also on top of that, I have got you covered with an awesome, insane custom bonus deal package, which you can check by going down on the description link of this video and clicking the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, if you scroll down, you can find all the details of Localio over here. And if you still further scroll down, you can find my bonus package. Now, my bonuses include over 39 software. There are different software. There are YouTube video making software. There are video ranking software. There are blogging software. There are website creating softwares. There are agency softwares. There are funnel builders. There are membership sites builder, and anything and everything that you wish to. Even some of them comes with reseller rights as well, so that you can sell them off and make money from it as well. But I'm not really going deep inside my bonuses because all of my bonuses are exclusively written on my bonus page. So you can just go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page. And from there, you can check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. But one thing I can rest assure you, it is the best and the biggest bonus package that you can get on Localio. With that being said, please feel free to check around what other affiliates are offering, because I am 100% sure that none would be even closer to what I have offered on my bonuses. With that being said, now it's time for us to actually dive inside of Localio, and I will really show you the power that it has. I am really overwhelmed by the power that this kind of AI writing software has. So here, as you can see, I'm within the dashboard and I'm already using it for 3 of my clients, as you can see. So that's quite cool. Now, with that being said, I'll come to those features, clients and workflows and smart AI assistant. These 3 features are something that are not there on the front end. I want you to know that specifically, because during this demo, I will touch upon everything. So first, let me show you whatever there is on the front end. So once you get access to this, you can go over to templates. And in here, whatever is under this advanced AI template, that is something that you are going to get hold of once you grab the front end of Localio. Now, if I go down here, you can see it contains anything and everything. Let's check out what are the different templates that it has. The first one, Google Business Profile Description. The next one, Google Business Profile Event. This means if you are going to organize any event for your business, then you can write the descriptions for that. Then there's Google Business Profile, what's new, right? Then you can have Google Business Profile offer post. So that's almost everything that you can do with Google My Business. Then there is Facebook ad headline. Then there's Facebook places. Then there's Facebook ad primary text. Then there is Yelp. Then you can go ahead and see the restaurant review generator template. Then there is YouTube ads headline, YouTube ad shorts, YouTube title ideas. That means you can generate ideas for the title as well. That's amazing. Then you have the YouTube video descriptions, which is again a quite painful task when you start out, right? You don't know what exactly things to write and all those stuffs. That will be done by the software itself. Then there is YouTube video outliners. That means it can plan the content for you. That's amazing. Then there is Google Ads headline, Google Ads description, headline creator, Bing Ads headlines. Now there are so many things. I really can't go through all of them. I'm scrolling so that you can check out what are there. Now, one thing I like is the AIDA copywriting frame. This is something that people, even some of the experienced marketer, have problem in. That is copywriting when it comes to writing sales copies, or when it comes to giving a good call to action. That's where majority of people have a problem in. So that's kind of solved over here. As you can see, call to action is also there. Then you have PAS copywriting framework as well. Then you have the blog post title idea generator, you have the marketing USP, you have the blog post listicle, you have the product or business name generator. So everything is almost covered in here. As you can see, you have the keywords generator, you have the review sentiment scanner, you have the rewrite business description, you have the Q&A, which is an important part when it comes to your website or when it comes to writing the different know-hows about your company. Then there is the book title idea creator, then there is an emoji extractor, tagline generator. So everything is covered in here. So that's quite awesome stuffs to have. Now, with that being said, you can also see here there is a Black Friday special deals as well. So as that's proposed that they would be adding the different holiday and festival deal type of templates as well, so that you can make the most of those seasonal things as well. So that's quite cool. Now, we want to check out the quality of the writing. So for that, what we can do is that we can take a Facebook primary ad text. If we click on start here, you can see it open up the editor, and in here you need to provide the company name, whatever it is. Now, since I have client, so I can just add the client over here. Say this is a cafe shop. So for that, I had added it. So that's cool. Now, in case if you don't have the client, all that you need to do is you need to enter the name of the business and you need to enter the description about the business, right? That's the minimal thing that you need to do. And then once done, you can just select the tone of the voice. So you can see here, as I told you, there are 20 tones over here. So you can go for any tone that you like. It can be professional, it can be respectful, it can be smart, serious, it can be trustworthy, it can be enthusiastic, and it can be authoritative as well. Now, since it's for a coffee shop, so let's select enthusiastic. And then you can also select the input language and you can select the output language. That means if your client is working on any geographical place where English is not maybe spoken that much, maybe it's an Arabic country, so you can select Arabic and you can get it done. So that's quite cool. Next in is the formality, and then you can decide it to be formal or not formal. That's up to you. Then you can allow it to create blocks for you. By default, it creates 3 blocks for you, but if you want to generate more, maybe 4 blocks, you can just change it over here and click on generate AI content. And let me be online so that we can see what time it takes to bring up the contents. And as you can see, the contents have been brought up right over here. So let's go through the contents here so that you can get to know how cool this is. So let me zoom in a bit. So here you can see, come to Top Order Cafe for a refreshing drink and delicious snacks. We serve a wide variety of mocktails, drinks, and snacks. You won't be disappointed. The next one, welcome to Top Order, the best cafe in the town. We serve a variety of mocktails and refreshing drinks that will surely delight you. Our wide range of snacks and beverages will satisfy your cravings for sure. Visit us today and enjoy our excellent hospitality. So you can see it has written some amazing statements, and all of them are quite unique. They are not matching with each other, yet they are very powerful. So you can again go through all of these as well. So it has written 4 copies within a blink of an eye, and now you can use them for 4 different posts on Facebook as well. You can have 4 different ad copies running. You can do split testing for your client. You can tell them that I have spent hours writing all these copies for you. So that's the kind of power that it enables you to do. And that's a thumbs up for me, because this kind of copywriting totally done by AI is something that was really lacking till now, and Localio just serves the purpose more than enough. So that's quite cool. Now let me zoom out. So in the similar way, you can use the other templates as well. You can go for any other template that you like. You can generate your Google ads, you can generate your Google My Business profile description, you can generate your sales copy, you can generate anything and everything that you wish to. So that's quite cool, and the number of templates that it has is quite amazing. If we go here and see, as I've already told you, there are a ton of templates. So you can create all of those jaw-dropping contents within blink of an eye, and you can supply it to your clients and get paid for it. So that's very cool feature that it has. Now that's the thing that you can do with the front end. Now, if you are upgrading with the pro version, then you get access to client. What this does is that it allows you to add different clients. That means from whoever you are working for. Say, for example, I have added 3 clients over here. So once you generate content for any client, as you can see over here, you can view those contents from here as well. So that's quite cool. As you can see, this is just the content that we had created right now. So you can see that it saves everything so that you can use it for further actions as well. Then you can have the client description added so that you don't need to write every time, right? You saw while generating the template, we need to enter a description. So if you are adding them as a client, then you can add the business description once in this place, and it will be used by Localio every time. So you don't need to invest time for each of the articles. That's quite cool. Now, that is one feature that unlocks. Then the second feature that unlocks is called the workflows. Now, if we go over the workflows, you can see I have created a workflow over here, a couple of workflows actually. What workflow allows you to do is that it allows you to create compliant content across one idea. Let me elaborate it further. Say you have an idea, you have a new product launch, right? And you want the same product to be highlighted across Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, right? So what you can do is that you can just click on create new workflow. And in here, you can select a business. So again, if you are upgrading to Pro, you will have access to client. So you can just select on any of the client, and then you can click on next step. Now this will actually allow you to add more description. Like if you are launching a new product, you can add its name or something like that, right? So you can just click on add more, and it will allow you to add whatever you wish to add. And then once done, you can just click on next. And this will actually allow you to create up to 5 different contents within one click, right? So I can create maybe a Facebook ad headline. I can create maybe a YouTube ad headline. I can create maybe a Google ad headline. So let me create these 3 headlines, right? And if I go down over here, I can click on generate AI content. And what it will do is that it will create these 3 headlines for me within this blink of an eye. And as you can see here, it has created these 3 headlines right for me within seconds. So that's how cool this thing is. However, this feature, as I said again, is on the OTO. Now, the OTO also unlocks another feature, which is called the Smart AI Assistant. And this is a very, very powerful feature that Localio has. And I'm definitely recommending you to get your hands on it, because this is going to be a game changer. Say if I click on add document, now let's give a title like say ABC SEO company, right? So let it be for an SEO company, and let me write the description. So you can see I've written a little description over here. Then I can go ahead and enter some topics on which I want the content to be, just the topic ideas if I wish to. That is, if I don't wish to, it's fine. Then I can go ahead and set up the voice. Again, this time it should be authoritative, because since I am selling a service, I should have authority on that, right? Then you can select a language. So let it be English. And then you can have the keywords, say SEO, ranking, and you can separate it by comma, and you can enter as many keywords as you wish to. Now let us click on compose, and let's wait for the magic to happen. Just watch out this part of the screen, It will start typing anytime. There you go. So we will read through the content as well. Let it write it out first. So you can see nice way it has formatted the content as well. Looking for a reliable, authoritative SEO company? Look no further than ABC SEO company. With over years of experience in the industry, we know what it takes to get your website to top of search engine. We use only the latest and most effective techniques to get you the results you need. And we don't just stop there. We also offer other services such as web design, development, social media marketing, pay-per-click advertising. We can help you with everything you need to get to your business online and visible to your target audience. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today and let us show you what we can do. So this is more than a script that a good copywriter can write for you. Quite impressive, right? So now, as you can see that I have got all of these generated from the Smart AI Assistant. Now, I want you to see a particular feature that it has that I like about it. So let us edit any of the previously created documents. Here you go. So this is about a YouTube ranking company, and you can see the kind of content that it produces. Again, quite amazing. Now, let us suppose that some topic you desire is missing out of it. Say, so suppose I want to write something about YouTube algorithm. So let us highlight this. Let me go back over here and make it bold, right? So you can see over here, I've written this. Now, if I click on compose, it will actually write some content on YouTube algorithm. So that's the feature that it has. So let me just show you. So as you can see, it has written some essential fact about YouTube algorithm like views, comments, and subscribers, right? And then you can also see here that YouTube considers when ranking videos includes like, comments, and engagement. So that's amazing, right? So whatever details you want to incorporate within your doc, you can do that. So using this feature alone, you can go ahead and compose blogs on exact topics that you wish to, blogs that highlight the exact point that you want to. Everything is under your control, yet you are not touching the pen. So that's the kind of power it gives you. And I really hope that you have enjoyed this little Localio demo. And that's more or less it. I have shown you workflows, I have shown you templates, I have shown you the smart AI assistant. But remember, the workflows and the smart AI assistant would be on their OTO. It won't be on the front end. So I want you to know that as well. With that being said, let's jump into the pricing that it has. And let's also tell you how you can grab all my bonuses. In case if you do decide to pick up Localio, then please go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can check out all of my bonuses again for your convenience, right? And then once you like whatever you are seeing, then you can click on any of these red buttons to go over to the Localio sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can go through this sales page at your own time. And whenever you are happy with it, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to Localio along with all my bonuses thrown in inside your JVZoo account for free of cost. If you have got any questions regarding any part of this Localio review, please feel free to get in touch with me on my Facebook page or on our email account. With that being said, it's now time for us to discuss the pricing that it has. Now let's go to the pricing that Localio has. The front end is going to be priced at $37 for a lighter version and $47 for the advanced version. I would definitely suggest you pick up the advanced version, and whatever templates I have shown you is on the front end. So it has got 50 templates that are good enough to start off. Then there is a OTO 1, which is the professional version, and it has got a monthly, quarterly, and a yearly subscription plan. It also has a one-time pricing of $247 as well. This gives you additional marketing templates. This gives you everything included in the advanced plan. Plus, this gives you additional words written every 3 months. Plus, it gives you workflow that I shown you. Then it also gives you the powerful AI document, that is the smart AI assistant feature that I had shown you. Now, this is going to cost you $247 one time, but it's worth investing. The next one is the OTO 2, which is the agency license. It comes for $197. You can go through it. If you like to, you can pick it up, right? The next one is something that I would suggest you can pick up. That is the Localio AI membership club. And this gives you additional templates, right? Each month, they add templates to the software, which would be available to you if you are inside this. And then you are also going to get additional words per month as well. So that is all the upgrades that it has. However, if you are interested in smart AI assistant, then you need to purchase the OTO 1, which is going to cost you $247 one-time price. But for that, you need to purchase the front end as well. Now, if that is something that you wish to buy, then I would suggest that you go down on my description link and go to my bonus page. From there, you can scroll down until you find this bundle deal over here, clicking on which you can go over to the bundle sales page, and from there you can pick up the entire bundle at around $300, which is an awesome price to have because you are going to get all the upgrades along with front end also. You don't need to buy the front end separately. So I really hope that you have loved this Localio review. If you have, please help me with a like, and also let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Localio AI review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to make money online. Signing off is your good friend Shan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.